No, sir.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Now it is visible, I hope so. Okay. All of you had your breakfast, guys?
Complete.
Good, good. At the class. At the class, guys. The last class we discussed about what is Salesforce, what is cloud computing. The services given by cloud computing by vendor company or the cloud. So these are the points in the last class we discussed. So let me recap all the points, guys. Is anyone joined today?
Yes, sir.
How many of you joined?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Me
Tell
too.
me, what is your name?
I'm Nishkant, sir.
I am Anwar.
Kant, from which place? Okay, Nishkant, and another guy?
Anwar.
Yeah, Surya, sir.
Anwar. Okay, Anwar, Nishkant, and any other persons?
Akshay Raja.
Surya.
Surya. 3 members are joined or what?
Sandeep.
Sandeep,
My
4
name is
members. Okay. Fine.
And one more also, sir. Sai.
Okay, okay, no problem. Guys. The people who are joined today, so don't bother, guys. I will share the recordings, yesterday's class recordings. Okay, guys. Anyway, I'm going to recap all the points, whatever we discussed. Yesterday, we missed only one session, that is 1 hour session only. I'm going to recap the points. Listen carefully and try to understand. Understand, Nishkant, Anwar, everyone in the class?
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, are you going to share the recordings also?
Yeah,
sir?
we are providing the recordings also. We will provide the recordings.
After the session, right?
Yeah, after completion of the session, we will
Okay,
post
sir.
the recordings.
On the same day.
Yeah, it takes some time to download. Maybe on the
Yeah,
same
yeah.
day or maybe next day, I will share. Okay. I, in the sense, DURGASOFT people is going to share the recordings.
Okay.
Understand? In case if you do not receive the recordings, please call to the management, DURGASOFT management. Okay.
Okay.
They will share the recordings. Fine. Okay, guys, let us start the class. Everybody, please mute from your side. Everyone, please mute from your side. If you have any doubt, you can unmute and talk with me. Okay, fine. So, last class we discussed about what is Salesforce. Salesforce is a vendor company like Microsoft, IBM, Oracle, Google, PeopleSoft. Like these companies, Salesforce is also a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company's CEO is Mark Benioff. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. So that is all about what Salesforce. And also we discussed about there are 3 important persons in the IT industry. That is vendor company. Second one is development companies like Infosys, TCS, Cognizant, Capgemini, Accenture. All these companies are comes under development companies. And these people are going to develop software applications as per the requirement of clients. Clients are nothing but business people. All of you understand, guys? So they are using software applications in their business. So like that, there are 3 important key players in IT industry. So what is cloud computing here? Cloud computing is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require, everything provided by vendor company As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. Whatever services we are using, for that service only we need to pay to the vendor company. That process can be called as what? A pay-per-use model. Pay-per-use, the name itself implies pay-per-use. How much services we are using, for that service only we need to pay. That is called pay-per-use model, or a plug-and-play model, or IT services on demand model. Okay. Next point. Last class we discussed about what are the advantages of using software applications in a business. The first advantage, it saves your time, it provides the security, and we can achieve scalability using what? Software applications. I given plenty of examples. Okay. And also we discussed about difficulties of using software applications. Difficulties of using what? Software applications. Only advantages we discussed yesterday. And also we discussed about what the difficulties of using software applications. What are the difficulties of using software applications? Both clients and development companies, they have to upgrade the software on their own. They have to install the software on their own, and they have to maintain the software on their own. So upgradation, installation, excuse me, everybody please mute, excuse me. Both clients and development companies, they need to upgrade, they need to install, they need to maintain the software on their own. So these are the points in the last class we discussed. To avoid all these problems, vendor companies come up with a new concept name, it's called cloud computing. It provides 3 types of services, guys. IaaS, PaaS, and what? SaaS. IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. PaaS stands for platform as a service. SaaS stands for software as a service or application as a service. Infrastructure as a service means here vendor company provides hardware as a service to the clients and development companies. Then that kind of service we can call it as infrastructure as a service. Hardware as a service means it provides servers, they will provide memory space, they provide memory space, and also they will provide what? Networking. Everything comes under what? Hardware. So if any vendor company provides servers, memory spaces, their memory space, and networks, everything, that can be called as what? Infrastructure as a service. I given one example also yesterday. I hope all of you know about Google Drive. In the Google Drive, we can load, we can save our files. Actually, Google Drive space given by whom? Google company. So Google company memory space, we people are going to use, and we people are going to upload, or we people are going to save our own files in the Google Drive. So this kind of service can be called as what? Infrastructure as a service. I hope you understand this example. Google Drive is the best example for what? Infrastructure as a service. Coming to the second one, platform as a service. Here vendor company provides operating system, programming language, database as a service to the clients and development companies. Then that kind of service can be called as what? Platform as a service. The platform which is given by Salesforce, the platform which is given by Salesforce is known as force.com. Force.com is a platform name which is given by Salesforce, on which developers can develop the application as per the client requirement or company requirement. The old name can be called as force.com. The new name can be called as Lightning Platform. So it is all about what? Platform as a service. And after that, we were discussed about software as a service or application as a service. Software as a service or application as a service. On this platform, developers can develop the application as per the client's requirement, as per the client requirement. Whatever application they develop, if they're given this application directly to the users as a service, then that kind of service can be called as what? Application as a service or software as a service. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example about this regarding application as a service. I hope all of you know about Google company. Yes or no, all of you? Google company developed one of the application name is called what? Gmail application. We are using, or everybody using what? Gmail application nowadays. Actually, Gmail application developed by Google company. Gmail server is maintained by Google company. Gmail server is installing, upgradation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of at home here. Google company. Google company, they're given this application directly as a service to all of us. Then that kind of service, we can call it as software as a service or application as a service. I hope you understand this example. Yes or no, all of you?
Yes,
You
sir.
can unmute, you can talk with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
understand.
Yeah. Shall I go in the same pace, guys? Can you catch my points?
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class?
Yes, sir.
Is the space is okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Good. So these are the points in the last class we discussed, guys. And also we were discussed about how many types of jobs are available in Salesforce. With respect to Salesforce, we have two types of jobs. One is developer's job. The other one is what? Administrator side. The people who are interested about programming side, they can go for what? Development side. The people who are scaring about programming or weak at programming, they can choose what? Administration. There are two types of jobs in Salesforce. But comparatively administrator, if you go for development side as a developer, definitely you will get more than 15-20% salary than administrator in the company. So these are the points in the last class we discussed. Understand, Nishkant?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anwar, understand? Yeah,
Yes,
Prakash. Prakash
Yes.
Motiani.
Yeah, hi, sir. Good morning. I have one concern. So the software of Salesforce is open source, right? So we can practice without
Yes.
using anything like
Everything
license.
provided by his vendor company, Salesforce.
Okay. So open source, na? We can practice without any
Yes,
paid license.
we don't need to download any software. We don't need to install any software. Everything given by Salesforce.
Salesforce. Fine, fine.
Okay. And whatever application you developed, Prakash, whatever application you developed, even that application also, sorry, not save in your local machine. Your application, your project is also saved in where? In the cloud only. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
You understand what I'm speaking here?
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
I'm a developer, I developed some application, some project. This application is also not going to save, not save in my local machine, local computer. Everything stored in where? Cloud. Is my point clear, everyone? Prakash Motiani? Prakash, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. I'm very much clear. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Good.
Is this course for developers or administrators or for
Both
both?
will cover. Both will cover. Total 6 modules I'm going to cover. Span of 3 months of time here, guys. Look at the screen and try to understand the people who are joined today.
Sir,
6 modules I'm going to cover: configuration, development, integration, administration, CRM, and lightning part also. Total
sir, for
6 modules.
certification, any questions are must be provided, sir, like material like that for certification purpose.
Certification purpose, if you want any terms, I will provide the terms also. No problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
What about the .NET developers? Actually, I'm .NET developer.
.NET.
Developer.
So .NET
Is it good
developer.
for .NET developer?
I didn't get your point.
I am a .NET developer, basically.
Okay,
Is it
you're
good
a
for
.NET developer. Fine, good.
Just I'm thinking, CRM Dynamics is good for me or Salesforce is good for me?
Which one? The other one is what?
CRM Dynamics, Microsoft CRM
No,
Dynamics.
no, no. That's C, guys. What is your name?
Venkatesh.
Venkatesh. Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Microsoft Dynamics CRM.
Yes.
Microsoft Dynamics CRM is on-premise CRM, guys. Whereas Salesforce CRM, the cloud-based CRM.
I
Salesforce
think
CRM is the world's.
CRM also having cloud,
Sorry?
right?
Sorry?
Portal, everything we have.
Your voice is breaking. I cannot hear the voice.
Give me a moment. Microsoft Dynamics also having portal, right? Like Salesforce. Not only
Microsoft Dynamics
on-premise.
CRM is on-premise CRM, Siebel CRM, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, SAP CRM, Oracle CRM. These are all on-premise CRMs. Salesforce CRM is a cloud-based CRM. It's the world's #1 CRM in the market. What is your doubt? Tell me. You want to go for Microsoft Dynamics CRM or Salesforce CRM?
No. Just I'm thinking. Actually, I don't have any idea on Salesforce CRM.
Shall I give the advice to you? Shall I give the advice to you?
Yeah, sure, please.
You want immediate job after 4 or 5 months span of time?
No, actually, added advantage, I want to learn. Whenever I
See,
want
guys,
to, if I have interest, just I want to see.
I understand your requirement because you're a .NET developer. You're planning to migrate into Salesforce Microsoft Dynamics CRM. That's okay. I'm not denying that. But you have the C# knowledge. You have the OOPS concept. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why don't you go for development side? Not only CRM. Not only CRM. You will become enterprise application developer. You will become enterprise application developer. If you want to go for only CRM application developer, you have to stick into this application only. It never goes to what? A business application and as well as what? Integration application. My suggestion is, if you go for Salesforce CRM or Salesforce, you are going to cover complete all of the applications.
In this course, right?
Yeah, you will become the all-rounder.
Okay.
You can develop CRM application, you can develop integration application, you can also develop what? Business application.
Okay.
See, guys, company need multi-skilled persons or not nowadays? Speak out.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. So if you have Salesforce knowledge, Salesforce complete platform, you are in the position to develop all these applications. You will become the all-rounder. Company use you as what? As application developer or CRM developer or integration developer also. Because you have 3 skills. Point clear.
Okay.
So my suggestion is what? Better to go for Salesforce side only. Clear everyone with this point? See, guys, one important point I need to tell at this particular point of time. By 2020 to ending, Salesforce need 1.1 million developers. How many developers? Only Indian market I'm talking. Only Indian market. That much of huge requirement is there on Salesforce. And this is the right time to crack the job in Salesforce. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have the free time, I'll show you one video.
Yes, please.
I'll show you one video. It is not my words, guys. Type in the YouTube. Salesforce. Sunil Jose. Salesforce. Type. Sunil Jose Salesforce. Presenter. He's the guy. He's the guy vice president of Salesforce company. Look at the screen here, guys. See, guys. Sunil Jose, Salesforce India. He's a vice president. If you have the free time, please go through this video. Then you can come across to know that the strength and potential of the Salesforce company and Salesforce career here. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is ultimate interview, guys. Please go through it if you have the time. Okay. He's the senior vice president of Salesforce company. Sunil Jose, he's an Indian. Clear all of you. And I can assure that, see guys, I have been in this field last 25 years. Do you know? I started my career in software in 1992. Maybe some people not born also, I hope so. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I started
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1992. How many years? Almost 30 years.
30 years almost.
Yes, 30 years almost. 1992, I started my career. My first language, what I learned is basic language. I think most of the people don't have about this language name also. In my degree first year, graduation first year, I learned basic. I know Pascal. I know C language. I know Fortran. I know COBOL. I know C++. I know Java. I stopped programming language here. Now, after that, I was into database side, like DBase. I know Fox Pro, Visual Fox Pro, Oracle. Oracle, I know from 7.0 onwards. Oracle. I was into Oracle from 7.0 to 13C. 13C version. All these versions I worked on Oracle side. SQL Server. I know about Teradata also. I worked on Teradata. And coming to web technologies, I know PHP. I know HTML, JavaScript. Listen, JavaScript object notation. These are the different languages I know. Now, last 5 years, I'm into Salesforce side. Just try to understand, with the help of this 30 years experience, what I come across to know that is, down the line, next 10 years, Salesforce will be the number one in the market. That is undoubtedly. Based on my experience, I'm telling. 5 years back, I just want to migrating from database technologies to some other technology. You believe it or not, almost I took 1 week time to analyze the market. Because there are so many technologies in the market 5 years back. Of course, today also. We have something like what? Big data, data science. We have artificial intelligence. We have machine learning. We have RPA, robotic process automation. We have something like, blockchain. There are so many technologies. AWS, Microsoft Azure. You believe it or not, almost I took 1 week time to analyze the market. So which technology is good in the market? Next, down the line, 10 years, which technology is sustained in the market? Which technology is better for me to build up my career and all? I took almost 1 week time. I decided myself. I went to what? Salesforce 5 years back. And
Sir,
whatever step I took today, whatever step I took 5 years back, that is 100% correct step. I'm not saying that rest of the technologies are waste. Like rest of the technologies are also very good. That is undoubtedly. Clear all of you. But if you go for other technologies, before that, suppose if you want to go for data science, you should have mathematics knowledge. You should have statistic knowledge. Somewhat difficult to understand. Blockchain is not completely came into the market. RPA is completely out of the market. Okay. So the next 4 or 5 years, only 4 major technologies are going to dominate the market. One is data science. Second one is cloud technologies like AWS and Microsoft Azure and Salesforce. And the third technology is artificial intelligence. And the last technology is what? Blockchain. These are the only 4 technologies are going to dominate in the market next 10 years. Just please believe my words. Today, November 2nd. Right now, the time is 10:42. Please remember my words. This is fact and is going to happen next 10 years. Understand all of you? Just please
Yes,
believe
sir.
my words.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So undoubtedly, Salesforce is the #1 in the market. It is not my words, guys. It is not my words. Is anybody here this name? Gartner? Is anyone of you hear this name? Gartner?
Yes, I follow.
Gartner. Gartner
Yeah,
told
Gartner.
that Salesforce is the #1 in the market. See, Gartner given the #1 rank for Salesforce company. Who is Gartner? Look at this, everybody. Gartner and Company. It's a research market. It's a research company actually. Market research company. Gartner. Magic Quadrant. Gartner Company. Look at this. Everybody, please look at this thing. Gartner Incorporation, officially known as what? Gartner, is a Stanford, Connecticut-based technology, research and consulting company. The company's product services including what? Research, executive programs, consulting, and conferences. Gartner every year gives what? Magic Quadrant. What is this? Gartner's Magic Quadrant 2021. Every year, Gartner is going to release the Magic Quadrant. Gartner given the #1 rank for Salesforce company. It is not my words, guys. You don't need to believe me. You can directly go to the Google and find the information about Salesforce. That much of huge market is there in the market, right now in the market, job market. All of you understand what I'm speaking here, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or no? Good. So maybe some people got a doubt here. Sir, I'm a fresher. Can I get the job in Salesforce? Sir, I completed my BTech in 2015. I had 6 years gap is there. Can I go to Salesforce? But how to make up my gap? Like that, you have plenty of doubts. I understand your doubts. Listen carefully and try to understand. On Salesforce, you will get the jobs. Both what? Freshers, you will get the job, and also what? Big out. Experienced. Both you will get the jobs. But as a fresher, you may not get the job in big MNC company. Initially, you can go and join small company, MNC level 2, 3 companies. Once you got the experience as a developer or administrator, at least 1.5 year, then you can go for a big company like Infosys, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra kind of companies. See, I can assure that, excuse me, I can assure that both freshers and as well experienced people will get the jobs.
Sainath,
Yeah.
I have a doubt. I am from a BPO background.
Yeah.
So having a 7 years of experience, I work for Tech Mahindra.
Mhm.
So now I want to change my domain. So
Why not?
I have a distance degree actually. So I don't have a complete degree. So
No. Hello, what is your name?
my name is Sai Krishna.
Sai Krishna. My qualification is MCA.
Okay.
From IGNOU University.
Great.
Indira Gandhi National Open University. It's correspondence. Okay.
Awesome. Awesome. Okay.
MTech. That is from Karnataka Open University.
Great. Okay.
Both are completely what? Correspondence course only. Now I'm pursuing PhD.
Okay.
So I did my two PGs through what? Correspondence only.
So that is what I have a degree. It's
and 1 minute. And 1 minute. 1 minute.
Sure.
You are a BPO experience. Yes or no?
Absolutely. Yes.
Yeah, okay. At least you are touch with the computer. Correct?
Definitely. I work for Salesforce also. So it's just a tool. That's all.
Yes, great. See, one of my old students, his name is Sriram. Still I remember his name. 3 years back. 40+ years age.
Okay.
How much years?
40+.
40+ years age. He's having more than 20+ years experience in sales side.
Okay.
He don't know what is the definition of computer also. He believe, just like try to understand.
Understand. Okay.
Believe it or not, he don't know what is the definition of computer also. He never touched the computer.
Okay.
Completely sales.
Hmm.
Maybe somehow he fed up with the job and all. Okay, because of his age and all. That is why one fine morning he came to me. One fine morning he came to me. He introduced himself regarding his experience and all, age and all, everything. So I don't know anything regarding computer. Can I fit into Salesforce side or not? Because he thought that sales was related to sales. That is why he
Understand.
this course. That's the point here. You don't
Yeah,
know anything
absolutely.
regarding Salesforce. Because sales was related. What he thought is sales was related to sales only. And he thought that I anyway have 20 plus years experience so that I can go for Salesforce, the Salesforce technology. That is why he came to me. And I said that Salesforce is not related to sales. Sales was related to all kinds, not only sales. Okay, marketing will cover. Service also will cover. It covers only what?
CRM.
Only CRM, not only CRM. Not only CRM, as I said, he can develop what?
Business.
Business application. He can also develop what?
Integration.
Integration. He is a full-fledged developer. You are a full-fledged enterprise application developer. Like that, I educate him, and he joined the course. After completion of 3 months course, he took almost another 4 months time to get the job. So overall 7 months of time, he cracked the job in Salesforce in one of the MNC company. Now he is working as a developer in Hyderabad.
Okay.
And one important point, see, he failed many interviews. He failed many interviews.
Okay.
Almost more than 10 interviews he failed.
Okay.
Maybe 11th or 12th interview, he cracked the job.
Awesome.
See, guys, if this guy is in the position to crack the job at the age of more than 40 years, why not you?
We can do.
And why not rest of the people, guys? You have to take him as inspiration. Clear everyone here. Everybody get the job, both freshers and as well as experience also. The only thing is what? This is 3 months of time. This is 3 months of course duration. You have to come with me. I will show the path. I will show the career in your life.
Hello.
Understand everyone here?
Yes, yes, Sai On.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Nobody
sir.
speaking here. What happened?
Hello. Hello.
Are you okay? Good, good.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
My name is Omkar Vare.
Yeah, Omkar.
And I'm just joined a company
Uh-huh.
as a Salesforce developer.
Oh, great. Okay.
And I have
So how could you get the job without knowing Salesforce?
I'm telling actually I have 1 year of experience in Java developer.
Uh-huh.
So
Good.
they are hired me as a as a Java developer.
Okay.
Means they provided me a training on
Uh-huh.
Salesforce.
Good.
So, but I don't much that much of clarity. So they are trained me.
Okay. That is the reason you joined this course once again.
Yes. I don't much have that much of clarity. in
No
Salesforce.
problem. No problem. Or did you attend the yesterday's class?
No.
Is this a first session?
Yes, my first session. So
Okay.
my
Did you
question is
listen to the
that
recordings?
are you
The YouTube?
no.
Yeah, my YouTube videos are available in the YouTube videos are available in the YouTube. Okay.
My question is that are you covering all that Apex or LWC?
Everything. 6 modules I'm going to cover Omkar. It's not a small 15-20 days or 30 days of course.
Yes.
6
Actually, I'm
modules I'm
already
going to
working
cover.
on that, but I don't much that have clarity.
Guys,
So
and one more important point I need to tell at this particular point of time. I should not compare education with money.
yes.
Okay. Just try to understand. But really speak, except DURGASOFT, I'm a corporate trainer actually. I'm a corporate trainer for popcorn apps. Okay, like CTS and Tech Mahindra. I'm a corporate trainer. Okay. So I'm charging 15,000 rupees per head.
Okay.
Actually, course cost. But DURGASOFT people reduce the course because of an introductory offer. It costs around 50,000 rupees. Leave it or not? Excuse me. Anyone hear this name? Popcorn Apps?
No.
Hyderabad based company. Training at the rate. What is this company name?
Popcorn.
Popcorn Apps. I'm the corporate trainer for this company.
Okay, okay.
Very long back. Almost 3-4 months back.
Okay, okay.
Even password also complete changed. Because last 3 months I'm not using this account. Because batch completed. Old password is not possible. 1, 2. So this is the C password. Okay. These are the applications we created. What is this? My first custom application. What is the company name? Excuse me.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
See? Yeah, these are the application tabs I created for them. Employees, students, courses, everything. See here. Popcorn Apps. Software Private Limited. It is located in Bandara Hills. Road number. Yeah.
I do have one question. As
Yeah.
the completion of the admin module,
Uh-huh.
can we just get through the interview process of other companies, or do we need to wait till the entire 3 months?
Not required.
Yes.
After completion of admin also you can go. No problem.
Okay.
You can apply for the interview. Understand? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it. Thank you.
Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good. No issue.
Do we get any vacancy information here for the Salesforce?
See guys, I have so many contacts. Okay. I used to get so many messages on my mobile regarding Salesforce openings and all. So whatever information I got regarding openings, jobs, I will share with you. You can apply. Understand?
Okay,
Sir, if you have any 3 or 4 years of experience in Salesforce after this course, 3 or 4 years, so there is any opportunity for freelancing also while we are doing job for
Freelancing.
Salesforce? Means like if you got a 3 or 4 years experience in Salesforce.
Okay. Yes, we can go for freelancing, no problem.
Yeah,
Based on that knowledge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is any opportunities I'm asking, sir.
Why not? We have the subject, man. We have to you have to find the client. They can follow the project.
Yeah. Okay,
Sign
The only thing is what finding the client is very difficult. On your own. Yeah.
As I said, I have 7 years of experience. So now, if I join a new company with Salesforce, so how can I show the experience?
What is the previous experience we have?
I have 7 years of experience in BPO industry.
BPO industry. Oh, BPO industry is not counting.
Yeah, that is what. So
BPO
I will be a fresher.
Yeah, you do one thing. No problem. Of course, I should not discuss these points over the.
I understand. Thank you, Sainath.
Yeah, fine. You can put 3 to 4 years. Okay. Experience, no problem.
There is any expiration date for the certificates in Salesforce if you had completed?
Yeah, there is. After some time, you have to renew the certification. Maybe 6 months or 1 year. I don't know.
Okay. But LinkedIn, I had been that so many people is posting that no expiration date in their profile while I'm seeing that.
No, actually, some certifications you have to renew. There are so many certifications are there.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, app builder certification, Okay, like PD1, PD2, like core admin, advanced admin. There are so many exams
Sir, how
related
to get
towards.
Salesforce certificates?
Sorry,
How to get the Salesforce certification?
how to?
Get the Salesforce certification.
Okay, if you want to write the exam in Salesforce certification, you have to book the slot after completion of the syllabus only. This is not the right time. Okay, I will guide you how to book the slot and all. You can write the exam. Even after completion of this, I will give the dumps also, certification dumps. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Akshay, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Akshay, what is the doubt?
Yes, sir. I'm working as a Salesforce for 2 years of experience.
As developer or
Uh,
administrator?
as a developer.
Okay.
And
So
also
I hope you know
certified
about
AD1.
Apex, Visual Force, Lightning and all.
Yeah, everything.
Good.
So I just wanted to switch my job, so I'm taking this course as an interview process. So will that be benefit for me? This
No,
course?
anyway, you're already working as a developer in Salesforce. Why? What is the point of joining this course?
Just to brush up, and I want to switch my job to a different company.
No, he just said that you're already working as a developer on Salesforce, yes or no?
Yeah,
How much experience you have? 2 years?
2 years. Yeah.
Yeah, that is enough to go for some other company.
So is there any
And
experience
why you're
course,
joining my course?
or
That's why I'm asking.
to crack the interview, brushing up with things, because currently I'm working
You want to
on
brush up the subject or
LWC.
what?
Currently I'm working on LWC, so I just
Oh,
forgot
great.
everything deep inside. So admin and everything. So it will be benefit for me for cracking the interview. Or
Definitely, man. What is your name?
Akshay.
Akshay, definitely. I think your confidence is not that much good. If you have the confidence, then you can definitely crack the job in LLC.
Okay.
If you don't mind, may I know how much you draw?
Sorry.
If you don't mind, how much you're drawing?
Yeah.
As LLC level?
Package.
Package.
3.8.
3.8. Huh?
Yeah.
You joined as a developer, a fresher or what?
I joined as a fresher just after passing
Oh, I
out.
see. You're joined as a fresher. Okay. See, guys, he joined as a fresher at 3 point, how much? 3.8.
Yeah.
He joined as a fresher. He's getting how much? 3.8. And Akshay, okay, once you get the knowledge on LWC, or maybe if you go for some other company, you can expect more than 10 lakhs. Understand, Akshay?
Okay.
That much of huge demand is there in the market on LWC side.
Okay. You
Where
will
all
be
of you?
teaching on Classic or Lightning?
Both I will tell you. Both. Both Classic and as well as Lightning. Both I will cover. End to end, I'm going to explain. Okay, Akshay?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello,
Okay,
sir.
guys. Yeah. Let me continue the class. Okay. Let me continue the class. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So these are the points in the last class we discussed, and coming to the today's class is not yet started, almost 1 hour completed. Fine. So, and today I'm going to discuss about the Salesforce clouds. What is this? Speak out.
Salesforce Cloud.
Salesforce Cloud.
Yesterday we discussed about what types of services.
Cloud.
Yeah, Salesforce clouds. We have plenty of clouds are there with respect to Salesforce. Everybody, please look at the screen. Salesforce clouds like Marketing Cloud, Sales Cloud, and Service Cloud, .com. We have something like data.com, database.com, like Health Cloud, Commerce Cloud. Like many clouds are there. We have something like IST Cloud. Akshay, have you heard the name called IST Cloud? Akshay?
Yeah, it's a certification too.
Yeah, there are many clouds, guys. On each cloud, we have certifications. Okay, guys. Marketing Cloud, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Force.com, Data.com, Database.com. We have something like Health Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Einstein Cloud. Like plenty of clouds are there. We will discuss one by one. Okay, no problem. Marketing Cloud, it is an application related to something like what? Marketing. And whereas Sales Cloud, it is also an application which is related to sales. And whereas Service Cloud, that is also an application, is related to what? Speak out. Total how many applications are there? 3 applications. What is the first one? Marketing Cloud, Sales Cloud, and Service Cloud. All these 3 clouds, all these 3 applications pertaining to CRM. What does CRM stands for? Customer relationship management. CRM is the combination of marketing plus sales plus, what is this? Service. Marketing plus sales plus service. The combination of all the 3 can be called as what? CRM. CRM stands for customer relationship management, or the other way around, management. Listen the class carefully. Relationship with, what is this? Tell me among these 2 which is correct one. Is it customer relationship management is correct, or management relationship with customer is correct? Actually, first one is correct. Yes or no? Customer relationship management. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not immediately.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
But the actual inner meaning is management need to maintain relationship with whom? Customer. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why? Because for every business, customer is important. Without customer, we cannot run the business. Yes or no? That is why company management need to maintain healthy relationship with whom here? Customer. If customer is happy, then only we can survive in the market. Yes or no? Speak out all of you.
Yes, sir.
So the inner meaning of CRM is what? Management need to maintain the relationship with whom here? Customer. The main goal of CRM is retain the existing customer and grab the new customer into the business. Yes. Retain the existing customer and grab the new customer into the business. Clear all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is the meaning of retaining? Retain means
Retaining means
customer always
always using
stick with the company. Yes or no?
Yes.
Company
Yes,
or
sir.
stick
Yes,
with the product, I can say. That is the meaning of what? Retaining the customer. Everybody, please listen to the class carefully. Try to understand what I'm speaking here, guys. This topic is very important. Retaining means customer always stick with the company or product. But how customer always stick with the company? Unless and until you do not provide good product, unless and until you do not give better service, to the customer, customer never happy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So once customer will happy, then automatically you will get new customer into the business. Yes or no?
Yes.
For example, I'll give you a very elaborate example here. Listen carefully and try to understand. Suppose in 1983, India won first Cricket World Cup. Yes or no? At the time of Kapil Dev captaincy. Equal all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In 1983, at my childhood days, I'm talking. Clear all of you. At that particular point of time, very few people having TVs in their houses. That too black and white TVs. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
I remember some company names here. Dynora. Okay. Like Solitaire.
EPL.
Bonita. Western TV. Videocon. Very few companies are there in the market. Tell me, is all these companies are available in the market now? Right now?
No.
Almost every company is collapsed. Almost every company is closed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now,
Yes,
why?
sir.
What is the reason behind this? Why these companies are completely collapsed? There are
Maybe
two reasons. There are two reasons. First reason, they cannot compete with what is this? Technology. Second one, they do not provide
Improve
any service to the customers. We understand the point here?
Yes, sir.
They do not provide any service to their customers. Let us take a small example. When I was in 10th class, excuse me, when I was in 10th class, my dad bought Videocon TV, first color TV, Videocon TV, at my 10th class. All of you understand? Clear all of you. But these companies are not available. Suppose take this example. Like these TVs, we have one more TV is there. What is this? That is assume Durga TV. What is the TV name?
Durga TV.
Yeah, I am talking about 40 years back matter. Durga TV is there. I am the owner of this TV. Who am I? Owner of this TV. As a owner of this TV, as a business person, I am always concentrate on what? Speak out.
Business.
Sales.
Sales service.
Only marketing and sales, not service. At that particular point of time, no business people will focus on what? Service. They'll always focus on what? Marketing and
sales.
Marketing means what? One kind of advertisement. Yes or no? Speak out, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kind of advertisement. So there are various modes of advertisements here. Through paper ad. Yes or no?
Pamphlets.
Ad. Okay, radio.
Yes, sir.
Okay, something like hoardings. Like this, different kinds of variation of marketing strategies. Yes or no?
Sponsorships.
Good. Suppose Akshay, the cricket fan, is a cricket lover, and the next 20 days, 1983 World Cup is going to start. Let us assume like this. He wants to buy a TV. One fine morning, he opened the newspaper. He saw Durga TV advertisement on the paper. He liked the TV very much on the paper. Immediately went to TV showroom. He bought the TV. After paid the amount at the counter, he has to bring the TV on his own by auto or rickshaw. And he has to hire one electrician to fix the TV. At that particular point of time, you have only one channel is available. That is Doordarshan. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So everything is fixed together perfectly. Now he's enjoying the TV. Understand, Akshay? Akshay, are you there?
Yeah.
You're enjoying the TV. Understand all of you? Very good. So you're enjoying the World Cup. First 1 year working fine. The TV working fine without any problem. Is there any lady name? Please tell me what is your name? Anyone of you? Hello. Any lady name, please?
Yes, sir.
What's your name? Sorry?
Alka, sir.
Alka.
Yes, sir.
Suppose Alka, you are the neighbor of Akshay. Okay. Okay, Alka.
Yes,
And
sir.
you are also buying it. You are also planning to buy a TV. Okay.
Yes.
So keep it aside. First 1 year working fine. After 1 year, the TV got some problem. Okay, Akshay. Then what you have to do? You have to bring the TV to the TV mechanic. The TV mechanic is going to rectify the problem. Again, you have to bring back the TV. You are watching the TV. Maybe after 3 months, the TV got some other problem. Again, you have to bring back the TV mechanic. The TV mechanic is going to rectify the problem. You have to bring back the TV. Again, you are watching the TV. Maybe after 4 months, the TV got some other problem. Again, you have to bring back the TV to the TV mechanic, rectify the problem. Again, bring back the TV. Tell me, like that, every 4 or 5 months, the TV got some problem. Okay, Akshay. Now tell me, Akshay, as a customer, are you happy with this product?
No.
No. You're fed up. Yes or no? Now, Alka, you are the neighbor of Akshay. Now, you're also planning to buy a Durga TV. Tell me, are you asking the feedback about this TV?
Yes.
Then, Akshay, what kind of feedback you're giving about this product?
I just say it was my worst experience.
Yeah. So don't go for this TV, go for some other company. Yes or no?
Yes.
Alka?
Yes.
Okay, now it means that your existing customer is not happy in this example.
So and
His
grab the
existing
new
customer. Akshay is existing customer, he's not happy. If existing customer not happy, and automatically new customers also I'm going to lose. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, definitely.
So 2 ways I lost the business. That is the reason these companies are completely closed. Because they never bother about what? Customer problem. Clear all of you. They never provide any kind of service to the customers. They only focus on what? Marketing and sales. But once CRM come into the market, once CRM concept come into the market, okay, the companies are mainly focused on what? Service. If you provide the good service to the customer, then customer will happy. If customer is happy, and automatically new customer come to the business. I'll give you one example. Right now, 2020 World Cup is running. Yes or no?
Yes.
Come on, guys. T20 World Cup is running. Yes or no, all of you?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I want to pay a TV. I want to watch 2020 World Cup. I went to some TV showroom. Okay. I bought Sony TV. Tell me, what are the companies that are dominating the market? Sony, LG, Samsung. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are the 3 companies that are dominating the TV market. I went to the showroom. I bought Sony TV. Cost around 1 lakh. How much?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. I paid the amount at the counter. The moment I paid the amount at the counter, immediately I got a message on my mobile saying that congratulations, you are the family member of Sony company, so and so message. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
I see this message and I feel very happy or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I just paid the amount and come back to my home. I no need to bring the TV on my own. Clear all of you. The showroom person is going to bring the TV to my home. Along with the TV, they will send some technician, and that technician is going to fix the TV in the house, and that person is going to demonstrate how to navigate the channels, how to change the color, how to increase the sound, how to decrease the sound. Everything he's going to demonstrate. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. I am enjoying the TV. I'm enjoying the World Cup. So first 2 years working fine. The TV got some problem. I no need to panic myself. I simply call to whom here? He got
Customer care.
which customer care?
Sony customer care.
Sony customer care center. And there I lost the complaint. And they will give some ticket number to me. And they promised me, okay, within 24 to 48 hours of time, okay, for technical executive come to your place and rectify the problem. And one technical executive come to my home and he rectified the problem. Tell me, By providing service as a customer, am I happy or not?
Yes, sir.
Look at all of you.
Yes, yes.
Once existing customer is happy, then automatically new customer come into the business.
Yes.
Because they provided what? Service to the customer. That is why nowadays every company maintains what? Service. Every company gives what? Service. So marketing, sales, and service. Combination of all these three applications can be called as what? CRM. So what is CRM stands for here? Customer relationship
management.
Or the other way around, management relationship with the customer. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
And what is the goal of CRM here? Retain the existing customer and automatically grab the
New customer.
New customer, correct.
I hope everyone understand the everyone understand my elaborate example.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, all of you?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Thank you. Sorry. Understand, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
So, and some more clouds also there. Force.com. Of course, we already discussed about this. What is Force.com?
Platform provided by
The platform which is given by Salesforce, on which developers can develop the application as per the client requirement. Data.com. Data.com, it contains the information about the clients. The word. Database.com. Excuse me, someone need to mute, guys. Contains the information about the Salesforce company. Health Cloud. It gives or it maintains the relation between the doctor and what is this?
Patient.
Patient. Commerce Cloud. Commerce Cloud means it explains about is related to B2B business and B2C business. What is B2B? What is B2C?
Business to business, business to customer.
Customer.
Business to business and business to customer. Suppose KFC is the best example for this. Once you go to the KFC, there you can get some soft drinks or not.
Yes.
Like thumbs up, Coke, Fanta and all. Tell me, all those soft drinks are manufactured by KFC company?
No.
No. So KFC is one company, thumbs up is another company. Yes or no?
Correct.
Yes.
So this company giving the business to what? Some other company or not?
Correct.
Kind of business can be called as what? Business to business.
Business to business.
And also KFC doing what? Business to customer business also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That is called Commerce Cloud. It is related to business business to customer. IST Cloud, it is a combination of IoT. IoT means Internet of Things. And AI. AI stands for what?
Artificial intelligence.
What is Internet of Things here? Internet of Things means machine to machine communication. What is this?
Machine to machine communication.
Machine to machine communication. For example, try to understand what I'm speaking here. I want to switch on my AC. If you want to switch on AC, I need AC remote or not?
Yes, correct.
But without AC remote also, I can switch on AC by using my mobile.
Mobile.
So mobile is one machine and AC is another machine. And this machine is going to communicate with what? Another machine.
Another machine.
That is called what? Internet of Things. Clear, everyone?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Artificial intelligence. Machine can understand. What is this? He got
Human language.
human language. First example. What is this?
Alexa.
Alexa.
Alexa. Okay. What is this? Siri. Amazon
Siri.
using what? Alexa. Siri. Oh,
iPhone.
iPhone.
yes or no?
Yes.
It all comes under what here? artificial intelligence. Combination of both can be called as what? IST. Like that, there are many clouds are developed by Salesforce company. I hope all of you understand all these clouds. Brief discussion. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So tomorrow class, we will discuss about what? Salesforce
Partner.
partners.
Salesforce partners.
Who are the partners? The first partner is developerforce.com, teamforce.com. The last and final one is what?
AppExchange.com.
AppExchange.com. What is AppExchange.com? What is dreamforce.com? What is developerforce.com? Everything we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Developer.force.com. Clear all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in
Yes,
today's class, we just
Yes.
discussed about only what? Salesforce clouds only. Understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow
Yes,
we
sir.
will discuss about Salesforce partners. After that, it's only half an hour class. Then after I'm going to start what? Versions
Versions
of
of
Salesforce.
Salesforce.
Every year Salesforce releases 3 versions based on.
Season.
Very good. Based on what? Seasons.
Summer, winter.
Summer version,
Winter.
winter version,
Spring.
spring. Do you
Telangana,
know what is the current version of Salesforce?
21.
Summer.
No, winter 21.
Okay.
Winter 22 actually, not 21. Winter 22. What is 22?
Year.
Year
Financial
number.
year.
Year number. So winter will complete in 2022 only. Yes or no? Winter season will complete in 2022 only. Yes or no?
Every 4
Yes, sir.
months they are going to release.
Sorry, every 4 months.
Yes.
Every 4 months, Salesforce is going to release a new version. 3 into 4, 12 months.
Sir, that is the version number or the upgradation? Any patches are increasing?
Year number.
And completely they are providing some new functionality.
Yeah, they added slight differences only, not huge difference actually, version to version.
Okay.
Very small differences. Okay. So tomorrow class, we will discuss about Salesforce partners and versions of Salesforce. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Good. I hope you enjoy the session today.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
The
sir.
CRM
Yes, sir.
example, all of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is all of you understand the CRM example?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
elaborate
sir.
example. Thank you guys. I'll catch you tomorrow same time at 10 o'clock.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.